How to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. First of all, scroll down and turn on airplane mode and turn it off again. By doing that, basically all of your Wi-Fi settings and everything you're connected to will be resetted, and turn on your Wi-Fi again and try to connect. It should connect. If it still doesn't connect, make sure to try to check your Wi-Fi as well. Sometimes your Wi-Fi is not working and you think your iPhone is the problem. No, try to connect to the Wi-Fi using your other phone. If it connects, it's your phone's problem. If it doesn't, it's your Wi-Fi's problem. After doing that, if it still doesn't work, just switch off your iPhone, turn it on again. It should work. If it still doesn't, click on settings. Over here, what you want to do is scroll down and click on where it says general. Scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and click on reset at the bottom, and click on reset network setting over here and reset it. After you do that, it should work. If it still doesn't work, try to see if you're connected to any VPN or not. You can just scroll down for that as well and click on the Wi-Fi icon. And as you guys can see at the bottom, it shows VPN. So my VPN is off. If that is on, in that case, you're connected to a VPN and that's causing the problem. So don't connect to a VPN and try to connect to a Wi-Fi. It should work.